Hey, this is Andrew with From Seed to Spoon.
Today we're going to talk about how our app makes gardening easy for beginners. First, there's our database of over 100 plus plant varieties that continues to grow. Click on a plant to find out detailed growing information, how to take care of them, how long it will take to harvest, and much more. Choose from a wide range of award-winning varieties from Park Seed and easily choose them as you scroll through and find the plants that you would like to plant. You can check out the Friends tab to learn easy-to-understand information on companion planting and know which plants can and can't grow well together. Click on the Pest section to deal with different animals or critters that might be affecting your garden, see the treatment options, which plants they affect, and much more. And finally, don't forget the hundreds of videos and plant guides that we have to help you. These are just some of the ways our app makes gardening easier for beginners.